Okay, my loves, let's make chin chin. Okay, this is not your regular chin chin. This one is quite exceptional. Okay, so in here I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and then here I will be taking just 2 tablespoons of butter. You can use margarine. Here I have salt. I will be adding very little, a pinch of that. I have here curry. You will be like, curry in chin chin? Relax. I'll be adding very little of this. And then I have my milk. I'll be adding just 2.5 tablespoons of milk. And I'll be adding half teaspoon of baking powder. I have here my egg. And here, oh my goodness. Okay. And here a cup of cold water, not too cold, just normal room temperature. Okay, so here I have my coriander leaves. I know you'll be wondering again, coriander leaves in chin chin? Calm down. So enough further ado, let's get started. So first off, I'm gonna be mixing the wet ingredients. Okay, ignore the background noise. Okay, so I'll be adding in my egg. Let's crack in the egg. Guys, I forgot my sugar. Let me get sugar. I'll be adding just 4 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, so in the egg that we have cracked earlier, let me bring, sorry guys, I don't have much space here with me, so just manage me. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'll go in with water. So let's mix. Okay, so our wet ingredient is ready. Set aside. Now let's mix our dry ingredients. I'm going to add in flour. This is our baking powder. Remember I said I will be using half a teaspoon. So our curry powder, just very little. Don't go and add too much now. And then you say Amala. Left with Amala said add in curry. So I'm adding in very little. Just very little, as you can see here. You can still add any other ingredients you want, like cinnamon. It's okay, it's fine. So I'll go in with just very little pinch of salt. Just very little. Our milk goes in. I'm gonna be mixing it all together. Melted butter already. Okay, I left it in room temperature, so yeah, this is how it is looking. Okay, so I'm going to add in, I'm going to be adding 2. I've added 1 plus these 2. Don't add too much butter, okay, so that your dough will not have excess oil. Okay, it is well combined. Now I'm gonna introduce the wet ingredients we mixed earlier, bit by bit. Okay, don't add all at a time, bit by bit, my love. Okay, I'm gonna be adding all the last batch. I still have some sugar that's settled at the bottom, so I'm using my hand to bring all, to take all the sugar. Okay, coriander leaves, very little, my love. Don't add too much. This is coriander leaf, but you can use curry, you know, and it's what is very common in where I live, so I couldn't get curry, so I'm using coriander. So if you can get your hands on curry leaves, it's fine, but make sure you're not adding too much. Okay, so our dough is coming together now, guys. So I'm going to transfer it on a work surface so I can easily combine them very well. Okay, my love, this dough is well combined now. Woo. Because of this recipe, I had to go outside to plug these leaves, these coriander leaves, because the one I have is finished already, and my kids are all around me requesting for a snack, so I had to do this. This is our dough. It's not too soft, it's not too hard, it's just there. Okay, it is just there. I'm not going to roll this dough. I'm not going to roll it with a rolling pin. I'm going to use one object to kind of cut this dough. Just sit back and watch the rest of the video. Grab your kitchen scissors. Yes, you're going to be cutting this dough. No need this time around. So you're going to carefully cut it to your desired test, but it shouldn't be too big. Like this. Like this. So this is how our dough is gonna be looking, okay? This is how the chin chin is going to be, okay? Just like this. Cut. Your kids are going to love this, okay? These are one of the snacks I used to make for them. Whenever they feel like, mommy, make something for us. So this is one of the snacks I make for my kids, and I also put in their school lunch box at times, okay? So this is how you are going to be cutting it, just like this. It's very simple. I'm going to fry it after cutting, but you can also bake it. Yes, you can also bake it, but make sure the dough is well separated like this, okay? Then put them in your baking tray, separate them very well, and then you bake. But I'm not gonna be baking. I'm going to be frying them, as my oven is not that big. So if I should bake, it's gonna be taking a whole lot of time. So my love, I'm done cutting this dough, so let's proceed to frying it, okay? You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. But this is corn oil. So my love, I forgot. So if you don't have coriander or even curry, you can make use of spring onion. In fact, spring onion is the best. Like, it brings out the aroma, the taste. But I don't have spring onion, but if you have, make use of it, okay? I will go in now. Make sure you separate the dough. I'm putting this tissue to drain out excess oil, okay? Okay. So this is what we have. I love, look at that. Oh my goodness me. This came out so nice, so crunchy. Like, the moment is still little hot. Once it cools completely, like leave it to cool completely, and then you will see the crunchiness, the flavor. Oh my goodness, let me pour it out first. So you can hear the sound. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Your kids will so appreciate you if you make this for them. This is so nice. So tell me, my love, are you going to be giving this recipe a try? Let me know under the comment section. And don't forget to type, this is banger, because honestly, it is a banger. Like, I have forgotten that I'm on a weight loss journey, guys. This is so nice. Try it out and thank me later. Don't forget to tag me when you try it out, okay? So thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Ta-ta! you.